Hey everybody, this is Complexity Crew. In this video, I'm just gonna make a quick rhythm, like sound style for you guys, soundscape for you guys to see how in FL21 it's possible to do. I made this pretty quickly, so it's not like, all that detailed, but I'll let you know what I'm doing here. I'm EQing out the lows and the highs in the instruments so that the space is not like dominated by random high frequencies and low frequencies. And then I have a bunch of stuff to do. Okay, so we automated the side chaining of the kick and the bass, so that means in the playlist right here, it'll sound like the kick is kicking on top of the bass harder in proportion to the amount over 50% of the side chaining on the automation compression ratio envelope. It sounds difficult. It's not. I'm sorry if it sounds difficult. Also, I made a riser, a sound of like a riser for dance music or trap music. You can use it for any type of music, like production. I'll show you how I did it as well. You just need like Citrus, the VST that's already free with FL Studio. And I'm just automating some parameters here so that you can hear the difference. If you look at the envelope names, you'll see which ones they correspond to. I'll let you guys listen and I'll jump in if I have to explain something. So like right here, I'm just making the playlist, like the sequence of it. The substance has to be as good as the form and substance, So check it out. As you can hear the bass, which is like a side bass sounding thing, it's hitting on the like triplet style. So like 1 2 3 2 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3, except for the 1 2 3 4 where the kick hits. Here's the riser that I'm making. I'll show you guys that. And people, not just dudes. What's up, everybody? So here we go. I'll let you listen. I'll start talking if I have to. So here I'm just gonna add the filter to the riser channel, which is a 9th channel right there, and put the high pass and the cutoff frequency on the automation parameter thing. So on the playlist we can change how it sounds, as you can hear. So I just made the drum stop before the riser hits here. And then, So if you guys like this video, please subscribe. Check out complexitycrew.com for more. I have a bunch of stuff on there, like resources to teach with music production, as well as other stuff like science communication and stuff. So check that out. And I'll let you guys hear how this one ends up sounding. That's about all I'll need to explain, I think. Yeah, so like, right now I'm just gonna alter as well the parameters for grain spacing and wave spacing on the vocal sample I've got in the background. You can hear how it changes, how it sounds. So this part right here, we're going to use the frequency splitter to precisely EQ out some of the mids and high end, because the kick has to mostly hit with like you hear the intensity now. And so let's do that as well. I think we'll work with the distortion over top. The kicks attack and stuff matter, the amount of time it takes to hit, because you don't want it to be too loud. So the envelope for the volume has to be like very small. I've already made that the case for the two kicks I've layered here. And so yeah, I think that's all I have to let you guys know. So enjoy watching, and yeah, definitely check out complexitycrew.com. So yeah, this part matters. I forgot to explain it. Right here I'm automating the ratio of compression on the kick drum, or from the kick drum to the riser, or onto the riser and downlifter parts. So that's why that's a useful technique. I recommend it. You could try it with your music. It makes it sound more dynamic. As you hear, it's sort of cool. And then, like, yeah, I think that's about all I have to, yeah, what else should I explain? There's not much left to explain. I hope you guys enjoyed, this video, and, definitely leave a comment if you did, subscribe, and also make good music. Enjoy yourselves. Peace.